Alright, customer said the unit is not cooling. Let's see what we can find. Alright, let's head on up.
Sometimes I get a good feeling.
So we're getting low voltage. So boom, and just like that, we're up and running. Nothing much to it, just blower motor. It had all the voltage going to the module, wasn't turning on, so we just went ahead and changed out the motor. See y'all in the next one. God bless.